Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to unbox the Dyson V15 Detect. This beast I bought online, and I needed something lightweight and easier to carry around to get the vacuuming done. And it has this cool laser light that'll look at all the dirt. Anyway, I had to have it. So let me unbox this thing for you so you can see what it is. This is what sold it on me, was the laser reveals the microscopic dust. Like, I gotta know where the dust is coming from. So here we go. I got it. I'm probably gonna be afraid at what I can see. This means I can vacuum in the middle of the night, in the dark. All right. It comes like this. Oh goodness. There's the guarantee, 2 pages. And what's in here? Secret stuff. This is a read and save these instructions thing. Nobody reads them. Probably should read them. All right, let's dive in. Over here, our mission is simple. Solve the problems others ignore. I could dig that. This is your quick start guide. I told you, nobody reads the instructions. Get right to it. All right, assemble your machine. Let's see here. Let's take out this. One piece. Wow. Another piece. It's pretty straightforward. Oh, it's already charged. It makes this funny boom. I don't know if you can hear that. Anyway, so I got this part. Wow. Stop. Touchy little thing. This part goes with this part and you click it. That was easy. Now, what do? Then I guess you put the end brush thingy on it. There's a couple different brushes. This looks like 2 brushes. I'm not sure. Feels like this would be 2 brushes, but I guess it's not. I guess it goes on a fabric and then has brushes. I have to read what this one's for. And this one's a crevice tool. Ooh, scan to unlock exclusive benefits. I'll have to see what that is. Charging cord. Oh, this is the instructions on how to mount it. So let's say you have a laundry room or a place that this thing lives. You can mount it on the wall. So you can just, slide it on and off in here and let it charge. So I have to figure out that part too. Or you can buy a stand. I've seen them on these little white stands that stand in the middle of the floor, and you can just walk up and pull it out of the stand and it's ready to go. I'm probably gonna get the stand. This is a cool brush. This looks like it's almost a buffing brush. I have tile, so has laser detect. Okay, anti-tangle web comb. All right, so this looks like this. That's great because I have long hair and my son has long hair. So let's see how that works. I didn't realize it come with so many attachments. This one has an anti-tangle screw, and it looks like it might work for rugs. Another attachment. I'm starting to wonder if this is going to be able to like replace my big Dysons, because I got the animal. Actually, I like 3 different varieties of the Dyson products because I love them so much. But you know, if I don't have to drag around that big old Dyson, this is going to be a huge upgrade and improvement for me, because vacuuming is a big chore and I have a back issue. And it'll be great if I don't have to worry about that. What's in here? Whoops. Another tool. I'm not sure if this is part of the mounting system. It's not something I'm familiar with the other Dysons. So, I think, boom, shakalaka. That's all there is to it. I'm super excited to start vacuuming with this. I do know it needs 24 hours to charge, even though they have some factory power on it. I love it. And take off clean the canister. Oh, you can choose what language. So yeah, the one with the screw, this one is more like a deep cleaning for the pets. This head is for my tile, so it'll really get the dust up and clean the tiles. I'm wondering how long this brush would last. And then the other brush is just a regular style vacuum brush. I'm excited to get started. I'm gonna power it up, and then hopefully I'll be able to attach some footage of me actually using it. That might be really boring. I don't know, I'll think about it. But this is the Dyson. I hope you like it. I think I'm gonna love it. Talk to you later. Bye.